Hello, this is Lucas and Brian, and welcome to another video. This video we're going to another cubing competition, but without the MBN events. So let's go! So in the mornings, I did Scube and Pyramids, and I got a Scube pure average, got like a 13 average. But for Pyramids, I kind of choked and locked up a lot. So I got a 9 average and did not make it to the second round. So I only have clock left. So I'm going to go compete clock, but I probably won't get to the second round. But even if I do, I still have to wait for 2 hours, so I'm probably not going to do it. just finished clock. I made cutoff, but it was really easy. It was only like 20-second cutoff, and I think that I got pretty decent times, but I normally average 12, and I probably got like around 13, 14 average. So hopefully I can beat that the next comp. And I won't be competing in second round because we have to leave early, and we also have to wait for like 2 hours until second round. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. If you're new, make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Lucas and Brian, and we'll see you next time. Bye.